geometrical interpretation of a scalar product. I have drawn a figure here. OB represented by vector B and OA with vector A, and we have drawn AM and BM, two perpendiculars on OA and OB. Okay. So now let's see what basically what it is now. Let vector A and vector B be two vectors. Let vector A and vector B be two vectors represented by vector OA and vector OB respectively. Let theta be the angle, let theta be the angle between vector OA and vector OB. One thing, theta already mentioned here, theta. Now draw AM perpendicular OB and BN perpendicular on OA. Now from triangles, now we are having two triangles, right angle triangle, okay, OAM and it will be triangle, from triangle OAM and triangle OBN, from triangle OAM and triangle OBN. Now what we can write it? We can write it ON, we have taken OAM, okay, no problem. Then we will be taking OM now, okay. First time. Now OM is equal to OA cos theta, number 1, and ON is equal to OB cos theta. Now a very nice term we are having, okay, what it is? OM and ON. Now OM, we are having now this OM. OM is known as projection of A on B. OM is known as projection of vector A on vector B, and ON is known as projection of B on A. Is it clear? Now let's go for the further part. Now we are having going by the definition. Now what we can write it? Now we can write it vector A dot vector B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos theta. Is it clear? Now to this we can write it magnitude of A with, now B represents OB, so we can write it OB cos theta. Is it clear? Now OB cos theta is what? ON. So this becomes magnitude of A with ON. Now what ON is? ON is known as projection of B on A. So we can write this as magnitude of A, magnitude of vector A with ON, projection of B on A, vector B on vector A. Vector A dot vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A projection of vector B on vector A. Now further to this part, now what we can write it? Now, projection of vector B on vector A is equal to vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector A, and this can further be written as vector A upon magnitude of vector A dot vector B, and to this we can write it now unit vector A dot vector B. One thing, okay. Now let's move for the second part. Vector A dot vector B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B with cos theta. Okay. Then to this we can write it magnitude of A, vector A dot vector B is equal to magnitude of B with, now already in here we have taken magnitude of B, now there we are taking magnitude for A. Now what for A we can write it? OA cos theta. OA cos theta is what? OM. So we can write it this as with OM. And again what OM is? OM is known as projection of A on B. Now, this is I am just writing it directly, we can write it magnitude of B, vector B with projection of OM. Once again OM is known as projection of vector A on vector B. So projection of vector A on vector B. Is it clear? Now further what we can write it? Projection of A on B is equal to vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of B. Magnitude of vector B. Now to this what we can write it? Vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of B vector B, and this is equal to vector A dot unit vector B. Is it clear? So now we can write, now what we can write it, number 1, the projection of B on A, vector B on vector A, the projection of vector B on vector A is the dot product of, is the dot product of unit vector A and vector B. Sorry, unit vector A along vector B. And number 2, the projection of A on B is the dot product of unit vector B along vector. So this is what about the geometrical interpretation of a